add folder to workspace. In this you can see in the desktop I have stopwatch and I added it from here, and now we will see the HTML, CSS and JavaScript file. As you know, in the HTML I given the heading of the title JavaScript stopwatch, and I added the CSS linking file style sheets. In the body, I created a container, class of container, and a h1 tag of stopwatch. I even added a span of minutes, seconds, and milliseconds, given the buttons of start, stop, and reset. And in the bottom of the body, I added the JavaScript source tag. In CSS, you can see I created a linear gradient to the body, and in the container, I given a 100% 100px of auto text align center. H1 tag I given 5 em. For p tag I given 4 em. The colors are white. For the buttons I given border radius of 15px and padding, and I given button hover dark cyan. In the JavaScript, I created var minutes, seconds, and tenths. Now we assign them where output minutes equal to get element by id minutes, seconds, tenths, and same as this button start, button stop, and reset. Now we will add event listener for click buttons. This is the click button event listener. As you know, for milliseconds, 100 milliseconds equal to 1 second. So I given 100, 10 milliseconds equal to 0.01 seconds, and I set an interval start time 10. This is a add event listener for stop button, and this is add event listener for reset. When you press the reset button, the minutes, tenths, and seconds button should reset to 000 and output. And this is the function for executing the start button. As you know, the start time indicates when the tens place is less than 9, it should be 0. When it is greater than 9, and it should increase by tens position by 1. And if milliseconds are greater than 100, greater than 99, then the seconds position should increase by 1, and tens position should be equal to 0, as same as it is for the seconds greater than 9. And in the last, if seconds are greater than 59, the minutes should increase by 1 and seconds sets to 0. And I saved this file, and I linked that, and I linked it in the master control and published in the Git. Now we will see in Git repository how it looks like. And I open my folder, and here you can see the stopwatch I uploaded. I pushed the code into GitHub. Now, as you can see, I committed it. I added the comments. Now we will go to the hosting. As you can see the pages. Here is the link for the stopwatch. We will open it in new tab, and it is loading. Yes. Here you can see the stopwatch with timer. Now we will start. You can see the hovering else button also. If I start it, start. If I stop, it will stop, and this button is not working, and we should reset again. Start it.